Welcome to Interior Design YouTube channel. In the smaller dining spaces, making the most of every square inch is essential to create a cozy and functional atmosphere. When considering small dining table ideas, there are several strategies to maximize your space. First, opt for a compact round or square tables. This shape makes the best use of available space and promote a more intimate dining experience. Folding or extendable tables are another excellent choice, allowing you to adjust the table size as needed while keeping it tucked away when not in use. Additionally, consider lighter and more transparent materials like glass or acrylic for your tabletop. These materials create a sense of openness and usually expand the space. Multifunctional furniture and also a great option for small dining areas. Look for tables with built-in storage which can help you keep the space organized and clutter-free. Lastly, choose chairs that are visually lightweight and easily stackable for efficient storage. By combining these ideas and selecting the right furniture, you can transform your compact dining space into a cozy, stylish, practical area for enjoying meals and gatherings. To add the finishing touches to your small dining space, consider using light and neutral colors for the walls and decor. This will make the area feel more open and airy. Additionally, strategically placed mirrors can further enhance the sense of space by reflecting light and creating the illusion of a larger room. By carefully selecting your furniture and decor, you can turn your small dining area into a welcoming and charming spot where you can enjoy meals and entertain friends and family. Thanks for watching. Must watch, subscribe and like Interior Designs channel.